This DIY burlap goodie bag is perfect for storing candy, dates, or anything you like during Ramadan. I'll show you how easy it is to make, and you can even make multiple sizes. First, you can use whatever type of cloth or fabric you want. I'm using burlap. Cut some velvet fabric to the same size and place it upside down on the burlap. Fold the velvet, like this, then add glue at the top of the burlap. When using burlap, make sure to place it on something that is easy to clean because the wax will go through the burlap and make a mess. Then, add glue at the top of the velvet, like this. Remove the velvet and place it on the other side, like this. Next, flip them to the other side. Add glue between the velvet and the burlap as you see in the video. Then fold the velvet on the burlap like this. Add glue on all sides and glue the velvet and burlap together. Press the glue to make sure everything sticks together. I want the burlap to be on the outside, so I'll flip it and place the burlap at the top. Add glue on the right side of the burlap like this, then fold it and glue it together. Place the glued side in the center as you see in the video. Then add glue here and fold this part here. Make sure to keep pressing until the glue dries. Glue the bottom to close it, like this. Cut the bottom corners into squares, like this. Then press the corner together like this. Then add glue to close it. Do the same for the other corner. As you see, this part is folding in a certain direction. Add glue according to that direction and glue it together. It's time to flip it inside out. Fold the top so the velvet fabric is visible. Add glue inside the fold and fix it in place. Glue the fold all around so it looks better. The finish is amazing, and you don't need to cover anything. But I want to add a decorative strip. I'm using this strip because it's so colorful and will look perfect here. Always start where the fabric connects and not from a random area. And there you have it. It's so easy to do and looks amazing. You can add whatever decoration you want, like a crescent moon or stars. You can also add some PVA glue and glitter. You can use it to store candy, dates, or whatever you want. Look how sturdy it looks when it's full. I also made a smaller size. It's the size of an A4 paper, almost 21 by 30 centimeters. You can make multiple sizes and place them next to each other. Choose the decoration and fabric you want. I hope you liked this idea. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.